This is Module 13, Inequalities and Relationships. Number 1. What is the solution to the inequality below? 4x is less than 16. A. X is less than 4. B. X is greater than 4. C. X is greater than or equal to 4. D. X is less than -4. Number 2. For which inequality below is x less than or equal to 6 a solution? A. X divided by 6 is less than or equal to 36. B. 6 divided by x is less than or equal to 1. C. X divided by 6 is less than or equal to 1. D. 6 divided by x is less than or equal to 11. Number 3. Which number line represents the solution to the inequality? X minus 3 is greater than 2. A. 1 is greater than x. B. 1 is less than x. C. 5 is greater than x. D. 5 is less than x. Number 4. Michelle needs 30 ounces of pecans to bake some pies. Pecans are sold in 4-ounce packages. Which inequality could be used to find the least number of packages of pecans she has to buy? A. 30 divided by x is less than or equal to 4. B. 4 divided by x is less than or equal to 30. C. 4 times x is greater than or equal to 30. D. X is less than or equal to 30 minus 4. Number 5. Which number line below represents the inequality x is less than or equal to -4? A. 4 is greater than or equal to x. B. -4 is greater than or equal to x. C. -4 is less than or equal to x. D. -4 is equal to x. Number 6. The number line below represents the solution to which of the following inequalities? 7 is greater than or equal to x. A. X divided by -4 is greater than or equal to -2. B. X divided by 4 is greater than -2. C. X divided by -4 is less than or equal to -2. D. X divided by 4 is less than or equal to -2. Number 7. What is the solution to the equation below? X divided by -3 equals 4. A. X equals -7. B. X equals -12. C. X equals -1. D. X equals -4/3. Number 8. What is the first operation you should perform to evaluate the expression below? 9 times 4 plus 20 minus 2 squared. A. Multiplication. B. Addition. C. Evaluating the exponent. D. Subtraction. You have reached the end of your test. Please make sure that you have answered all questions. If you need to listen to any of these questions again, feel free to rewind and play this video as many times as needed. Once you have completed your exam, please turn it in to Mrs. Dippick. Thank you.